Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. I am also well. Today I have come to help you to know to do from assertive to or to change from assertive to interrogative. So let's get started our activity. 1. They have they have they have done it. Haven't, that means if we are asked to do if we are asked to do if we are asked to do from assertive to interrogative, at that time we have to do negative interrogative. That means interrogative again negative. Haven't they. If it is given in affirmative mode, at that time we have to do it negative interrogative. If it is given on negative mode, at that time affirmative interrogative. Haven't they done. Haven't they done it? It is given on affirmative mode. I haven't done it. Negative interrogative. If it is given in negative mode, they are not ready. They are not ready to do it. That means are they ready to do it in this way. Again, he saw Rafi. Past form, that means didn't he see Rafi in this way. If I give more example, he was honest. Wasn't he honest? He is honest. Isn't he honest? He is not dishonest. He is not dishonest. Is he dishonest? They will come. Won't they come? They will not come. Will they come? In this way, if the sentence given in negative mode, then interrogative will be affirmative interrogative. If it is given in affirmative mode, at the time that will be negative interrogative. Okay, role 2. If we get everybody, everyone, nobody, none. Everybody, everyone, everyone, nobody, none. For this one, such as everybody likes it. Everybody likes it. For these words, I have to write who, as it is given in affirmative mode, I have to make it into the negative. Who does not like it. Again, if I use negative, that means nobody wrote it. Interrogative will be who wrote it, because the sentence is given in the negative mode. That's why in this way everyone is coming. Who is not coming? Everyone was ready. Who was not ready? Everyone plays well. Who does not play well? Nobody plays well. Who plays well? None could do it. Who could do it? In this way you have to change. But in case of somebody, you cannot use there who. In case of somebody, such as somebody has done it, at that time you have to make it into negative interrogative as usual way, such as hasn't somebody done it. In interrogative sentence, actually there are not so many roles. So moving on to now exceptional ones. Exceptional such as there is no use of it. There is no use of it. Interrogative. What's the use of it? In this way. Again, nothing is good. Nothing is good. Interrogative. What is good? That's all for interrogative. I'd like to recap again. I'd like to repeat it. Role 1. If the sentence is given in affirmative mode, you have to make it into negative interrogative. If the statement is assertive sentence given in negative mode, at the time you have to make the sentence into affirmative interrogative, such as they collected the book. Didn't they collect the book? They did not collect the book. Interrogative will be, did they collect the book? They were playing well. Weren't they playing well? They were not playing well. Interrogative will be, were they playing well? He can do it. Can't he do it? In this way. Role 2. Everybody, everyone, nobody, none. For those who should be used. Everybody could do it. Who could not do it? Everybody writes well. Who does not write well? Nobody writes well. Who writes well? As none and nobody negative word, in this way. And exceptional one, somebody has done it. In this case, hasn't somebody done it? There is no use of it. Exceptional one. What's the use of it? Nothing is good. What is good? I think you have understood well. Please watch the video time and again to understand well, because these ones will cover all types of interrogative. So if you think that the content or lesson is useful, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.